Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Welcome to a quick guide on cooking one of the tastiest freshwater fish out there, crappie. It's truly a delight to prepare and eat with a wonderful, mild flavor. Its delicate, flaky texture makes it incredibly versatile for many dishes. Plus, it's surprisingly easy to cook, even if you're new to preparing fish. You'll be amazed at how quickly you can create a fantastic meal with this humble catch. Before cooking, proper preparation is key. Start by thoroughly cleaning your crappie, making sure to remove all scales and internal organs. For a boneless, tender bite, carefully fillet the fish, separating that delicious meat from the bones. Once filleted, give those pieces a quick rinse under cool water, then pat them completely dry with paper towels. This step ensures a crispy exterior later on. When it comes to seasoning crappie, less is often more. A simple blend of salt, black pepper, and garlic powder truly lets the fish's natural mild flavor shine through. For that perfect crispy exterior, dredge each fillet in a mixture of yellow cornmeal and all-purpose flour. You can also add a pinch of cayenne pepper or paprika to your breading for a subtle kick and a lovely golden color. It makes a big difference in the final taste. The absolute best way to cook crappie, in my opinion, is pan frying. Heat about 1/2 inch of your favorite cooking oil, like vegetable or canola, in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once hot, carefully place your breaded fillets into the oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Cook them for about 3 to 5 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and flake easily with a fork. They cook quite quickly. Once cooked, your delicious crappie is ready to enjoy right away. Serve it immediately, while those fillets are still warm and wonderfully crispy. A little squeeze of fresh lemon juice over the top brightens the flavor incredibly well. You can pair your crappie with classic southern sides, like creamy coleslaw, golden hush puppies, or even a simple fresh green salad. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. They're going to be absolutely delicious.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.